This is day 7 of English speaking practice. So 30 minutes or 10 minutes to speaking any topics continuously. So today I am going to speak any topic. Take one topic, then speak continuously 10 minutes or 30 minutes. Those my potential. Those my potential. I will definitely do, which I can. If you had like my video, then I would have I would have definitely made a valuable video for you. Okay, then please like video and do must be subscribed and press the bell icon for more videos miss and never miss another update or never miss an update. So today topic is that is topic topic today's topic that why why today era Gen Z very upset from the government. So I am talking today about in this topic why Gen Z generation very upset from the government. My first of all, I want to tell you the most frustrated Gen Z generation because of that Berozgari. Unemployment rate is very high of India because if you talk about in government sector, uh, so many there are seen so many careers or career in the government sector, so many things government. First of all, government not releasing more than vacancy, and government released and released vacancies like SSC, UP police, Bihar police, constable, RRB, ALP. So there are so many vacancies are releasing government, but so many common mistake government doing again and again, which are paper leaking, unconditionally paper leaking. If paper do, then student center go anywhere, Andaman Nicobar center Andaman Nicobar. How student go on Andaman Nicobar? How it is possible? There is no possible, and they go on Andaman Nicobar to give their exam. How how is this possible? There is no possible in this generation or for of the for the poor people. He can't afford, those people can't afford 10 rupees of biscuit, then how to afford to go Andaman Nicobar to give their exam? How can it is possible? There is not possible for the poor people. Then people people are also making mistake because if any government job releasing vacancy, there are only 2000 seat. Students are submitting form in their vacancies 1 lakh. How it is possible? There are only 20,000 seats and form applying for their jobs 1 lakh. And how it is possible? There are only 20,000 seats. 20,000 seats are conserved, only conserved. 20,000 is only student getting jobs in their vacancies. Of the vacancies, and 80,000 students are unemployed. The main reason is that 80,000 students are unemployed, and in private sector, in companies like Infosys, uh, Flipkart, Amazon, so many, yeah, local companies, they are mostly unemployed because in the college like BTech, BSc, BA are teaching most under updated courses, theoretical things like physics, chemistry, bio, BSc, zoology. There are only that teaching, uh, which are teaching in 90s. In today era, so many changes in their ai has come in the market. So many changes from the AI. So many jobs are fired, are getting AI, like telecalling, repeated work. So many jobs are taking AI. Then most of the company fired their employee of, instead of taking one employee who can work for 50 people's on one's time. They hire only one employee who can work 10 people of 10 people work, 10 people of work. Then how it's possible? Today era is changing now, completely changed. That era is has been gone. You read, then get a degree, then get a job to earn money, to survive, to survival. There, this era, that era has been gone. This era completely changed. AI has been come. So many things are coming, and AI regulation is coming. That era, one era is has been come already. Already, AI, industrial revolution. Once upon a time, come industrial revolution. Then it's come AI revolution. So many things are changing now, right now. How it is possible? So how 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 Gen Z, how student in this era employable? Main reason is that, main question is arising now. So, and one more things in paper, and government conducting exams. Then after taking exams, giving exam student, then paper has been leaked by money. So many rich people can buy through a money, guy buy paper through money, and paper are leaked. So most of the student which study uh, day and night, then he has very frustrating things. We should student day and night continuously continuously hard work, can read books, yeah, rote learning, yeah, anything. I don't care, but he hard work, he can, he will he would be hard work so many day and night. Then he will be give exam. Then notice as news are coming, paper is leaked, paper are leaked. Then so many student in this year 2026, 9 student has been suicide because of paper leaks. How it is feeling? Then Gen Z generation is very frustrated on the government. And to my yesterday, PM Modi, about 12 o'clock in the night, he's uploaded video on Twitter on their Instagram handle to confess. In that video, I am conducting a cabinet 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 things to talk about paper leak and give the punish uh, punish punish to the who paper leaked. Then there is a not he can he cannot conduct a cabinet. They are lying. How it is possible? How it is a student to survive and give study and do study to continuously? How it is possible? Because poor people have only one way to become rich and getting their middle class family. One thing is that education. And education, if education not receiving properly by mistake of government, then he is frustrated, is fair. Frustrated things is fair because I am already I am already having a middle class family. So that's it for today. And today is our gapped by mistake, by my mistake. Said you can say by my mistake, because uh, I can record these types of video in the morning, but my mistake, I am recording the nights. And today are already missed. Then next step is that I am not missed a single update. I am daily making videos and speak about any topics to 10 minutes or 30 minutes. I am already doing for 90 days to become a fluent English speaking expert, fluency levels of achieving English speaking, and develop so many things like communication skill, English speaking skill, and confidence. So many things. There are so many things. And one more things I want to tell you, my goals, because I am achieve in 2026. My goal is that one bike, one system, one mobile, and something earning uh, 30 or 50,000 per month in this year, by social media, by client, by skill, whatever is that. But I am earning differently. So I am telling goals, and because so that I am work properly, and I remembered my goals. So that's it for today. Meet you tomorrow.